can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. Market updates. We're having a very green day in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are having double-digit bounce off the lows. It's all season around the corner. I was just going to see a real rally. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied towards $93,900. We have seen Bitcoin dominance get to as high as 64.55%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance looks like it's dumping. It is the start of Altseason. Greed is back in the cryptocurrency market. Memecoins are pumping. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. 7 days can change everything in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is positive. We're seeing the fear and greed index tells us right now market participants are greedy. Just last week, there was fear in the market. Trump tariffs, are we going to dump to Goblin Town? But right now, Bitcoin is trading above $93,000. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $1,800, and market participants have gotten greedy again. But remember, guys, you want to buy extreme fear, you want to sell extreme greed. At some point in time in the nearest future, I will not be shocked if sentiment goes back towards extreme greed. Right now, market participants are feeling greedy as Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied towards $93,600. Bitcoin found the bottom on the 7th of April 2025. Bitcoin went to as low as $74,000. There was extreme fear. There was talks about Trump tariffs. How low can Bitcoin possibly get? But right now, we have seen Bitcoin get to as high as $93,900, which means Bitcoin over the last 16 days has rallied up by 25%. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? Bitcoin, the king of the market, driving the market, pumping to higher prices. But guys, you may be disappointed to discover that price action is going to lie in the altcoin market. Right now, Bitcoin is rallying hard. I will not be shocked if Bitcoin goes to as high as $99,000. That's been our target on this channel for a while. If you're wondering why $99,000, that's when Bitcoin will get to its 702 retracement. Now, 702 retracement, there's no guarantee that Bitcoin will stop there. We've seen a lot of times Bitcoin blast through 702 retracement, but more times than not, Bitcoin is going to make that huge decision around the $99,000 level. And we're almost there. From where Bitcoin is currently trading right now, we'll just need to see Bitcoin go up by 5% to get there. Now, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Bitcoin dominance got to as high as 64.65%. But guess what, guys? Right now, Bitcoin dominance has taken a little chip off the highs it set in the last 24 hours. I will not be shocked if we see Bitcoin dominance going down in the coming days and coming weeks. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, has been rallying, currently trading at $1,800. It might look like Ethereum is not pumping as hard as Bitcoin, but from the lows where Ethereum got to the $1,380 level, Ethereum is up more than Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 30% from the lows. And I believe over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we're going to see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, currently at a new low, we have seen it go to as low as the 0.0176 level. That's the lowest we have seen Ethereum trade against Bitcoin since 2020. I believe Ethereum is undervalued. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we're going to see Ethereum have a monster rally against Bitcoin. If you take a look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, we have seen over 164,000 traders getting liquidated. The largest liquidation happened on Binance. One trader lost $4.33 million. The bulls lost over $70 million. While market participants that were bearish lost $551 million. Be careful out there, guys. Right now, the market is ripping, pumping to higher prices. If you're shorting the market, you are calling for trouble. Over the next few days, we might see the rally continue in full force. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around $2.89 trillion, we saw it get to as high as $2.9 trillion. We're expecting it to rally to as high as $3.3 trillion. From where we're currently trading, we could really see it rally up another 13%, which will add around $418 billion to its market cap. The 702 retracement is going to be the most important part, guys. The next few days might be Very, very interesting in the cryptocurrency market. We might see huge pumps over the next few days in the Memecoin market, in the altcoin market. I believe altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. If you take a look at what has happened over the last 24 hours, yes, Bitcoin has made a move towards $93,000, but those altcoins have had double-digit gains across the board. IMX is up 44%, Bonk up 27%, Sui up 29%, and I believe bulk of those gains will come from the Memecoin market. The Memecoin market has seen huge boost over the last 24 hours. The Memecoin market is up 13.87%. That's what your average meme is up. Dogecoin is up 14%, Shiba Inu 12%, PP 15%, Trump, Bonk, Fatcoin, Floki, Dog we had expect 6900 all have huge gains over the last 7 days. With Dog we had rallying 43%. We've seen Fatcoin go above the $1 billion mark. The top 10 cryptocurrency market capitalization is still unchanged, even though we have seen huge gains over the last 24 hours in the top 10. Tron is still at number 10, Cardano is at number 9. Cardano has seen a 12% gain, Dogecoin has seen a 14% gain, Solana is up 9%, BNB is up 2%, XRP is up 7%, Ethereum is up 15% in the last 24 hours, and Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied up by 6.2%. Guys, drop it out to the comment section. How high do you think this rally is going to go? How high do you think Bitcoin, the king of the market, is going to rally? Solana has gotten to as high as $150. I believe Solana is going to get to as high as $280 if Solana is going to play out the 702 retracement theory we talked about with Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap. For Solana, the 702 retracement for Solana sits around $235. Can Solana rise to $235? Yes, it's possible, and that can happen very quickly. You know how volatile the cryptocurrency market is. A pump is always around the corner. For Ethereum, getting to that 702 retracement, we see Ethereum possibly even getting to as high as $3,000. Now, the lows market participants are bearish. At the top, they are bullish. You want to be bearish at the top and you want to be bullish at the lows. That's how you make some money long term. For Ethereum to get to that 702 retracement, we'll see Ethereum rallying up to as high as $3,200. Are you ready to see it trade at $3,200? I'm sure a lot of market participants have sold at the wrong time. They'll be buying to catch in. You'll be hearing talks of a new bull market. Can Ethereum rally 80% in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks? I believe that's possible. Just one big pump got the market back into grid. That means market participants are trying to get back. Bitcoin traders have turned 93,000 yearly support as Bitcoin price hits 6 weeks high. This is the highest we've seen Bitcoin trade over the Trump tariff trade, over the China trade wars. But guys, I believe the pump is here, but I believe this pump is the one you want to get out. I believe this is the pump to sell for some sweet profit. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Do you believe altcoin season is here? Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum going over the next few days? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.